Hello and welcome along. I've got some Australian birds to show you. This is the second series that was released. I'm about to pick up a couple of more series in these, but this is the second series. This one, this one is featuring the Western magpie. The Western magpie, very simple design there, the magpie standing over the nest of a younger magpie. And this is a definitive stamp released on the 1st of July 1980. The Western magpie was once considered a species on its own. It's now a subspecies, and as a result, it's now known as simply magpie. All right, so this second one here in this Australian bird second series, the Golden Shouldered Parrot, released on the 1st of July 1980 as well. It's a definitive. The printing method is offset lithography, same with the first stamp, the printing method, offset lithography. I like the colours in this one. This next one here, the 80-cent Rainbow Peterbird. Keep knocking my camera there. The Rainbow Peterbird. Issued the 1st of July 1980, definitive offset lithography as well. These are all mint, never hinged. The Masked Wood Swallow. Issued the 1st of July 1980, definitive and offset lithography. The Regent Bowerbird, 35-cent stamp there, 1st of July 1980, the release date, definitive and offset lithography. And the final one is the Spotted Catbird. This was released on the 17th of November 1980, offset lithography, as part of the Australian Birds second series. So I'm about to get some more series of these birds, plus some other stamps. I've got some more colonial stamps that I'm looking at as well, and some more overseas stamps that I'm also interested in as well. But I'll be back again with another stamp video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye for now.